Hello, Panthers. Back at it for social studies today, talking about your Westward expansion trip brochure. A brochure is one of those trifold thingies that you get if you've been to the Wisconsin Dells. They have hundreds of them sitting out at restaurants that you pick up, and you go, "Wow, I'd really like to go to Noah's Ark today." All right. Some of you have used Canva, some of you haven't, but if you have, it's pretty simple. If you haven't, you're smart. You'll figure it out. Canva, you can create some really cool docs. And you're going to be opening up a Canva. You're going to create a brochure. Okay. So you can create the brochure about the Oregon Trail, that trip, Lewis and Clark, California Gold Rush, or Trail of Tears. So you're going to pick one of the following. How many? One. That's right. And you're going to set your brochure up to look like this. You're going to have a front and a back. On Canva, you have to add a back to it. You'll figure it out. Not a big deal. And this is what it's going to look like, the front and the back. Each side has requirements, all right? So on the front side, you need a catchy title, all right? The years that the trip happened, and you can input a drawing or you can make your own Google Draw. And then a summary, okay? The summary should be 3 to 5 sentences, include manifest destiny. We talked about that a little bit. If you're not sure, you can look back at videos or you can Google it. And the purpose of the trip, okay? So like if you're talking Trail of Tears, the purpose was Andrew Jackson forcibly removed Native Americans from the Southwest into Oklahoma. So writing that kind of stuff. And then 4 information areas. How many areas? 4, okay? 1 information area needs to be on character traits. This is what the people that took this trip needed to be like. So, for example, the California Gold Rush, they need to be entrepreneurs, probably rough, probably tough, willing to live off the land, willing to take a chance, risk everything to strike it rich. Important historical people. So the people that maybe took the trip, the important leaders, or the people that the stories within that. Challenges they had to overcome. Okay, everything Western expansion comes to lots of challenges, lots of hurdles to get over, and then itinerary, which means like events, dates, things they had to do, stuff like that. All right. On the back, we would like you to try to create your own map using Google Draw. Might be kind of tough. I don't know. You can try to figure this out. But you should be able to find a map of the United States, or use your screen and cut that out, crop it, and include cities, states, territories, rivers, all that kind of stuff. Include a key. If you get frustrated by this, just take a pause, relax, it'll be fine. And then map information. So this is how U.S. history, both short and long term, were affected. So, for example, California Gold Rush. Impact on U.S. history. Obviously, it allowed California to grow quick, and also the use of water out there. And then also, how does geography, rivers, mountains, deserts, climates, etc., affect the trip? Okay, so once again, this is your Westward expansion trip brochure. You should try using Canva. You could also do it on Google Docs or something like that, but Canva is a pretty easy thing to use. If you have any questions, of course, ask your teacher, and good luck with the brochure.